Content creation. Here are 5 steps for content creation. Define your purpose and audience. Start by identifying your content's purpose and the target audience. Understand what message you want to convey and who you want to reach with your content. Research and planning. Conduct thorough research to gather information and ideas for your content. Create an outline or plan to structure your content, including key points, headings, and a logical flow. Content creation. Begin writing, designing, or creating your content based on your plan. Make sure to maintain a clear and engaging style that resonates with your audience. Editing and proofreading. Review your content for errors, clarity, and coherence. Edit for grammar, spelling, and readability. Ensure that your content effectively communicates your message. Publishing and promotion. Once your content is polished, publish it on the appropriate platform or channel. Promote your content through social media, email, or other marketing strategies to reach your target audience.